So let's read this question. So the question says that the shape of H2S2 is identical to that of, and there are four options and you have to find out. So the shape of H2S2 is identical to which of these following compound. So let's solve this question. So first we'll see the shape of H2S2. So H2S2 has a open book structure. Open book structure. It has dihedral angle and C2 axis of symmetry. And according to Vosburgh theory, we can determine the geometry of H2H2. So it also disulfide linkage is present in case of H2H2. So if we draw the structure of H2H2, it is like open book structure. S, S, and they are non-planar also. So this is open book structure. And the angle between these two is 92 degree and the angle between these two is 90.6 degree. So dihedral angle is present, C2 axis of symmetry is also present and disulfide link is present in case of H2H2 and it has open book structure. So if we'll see, and also one thing, that is sulfur is 16th group element. 16th group element. If we'll see this option S2Cl2, O2F2 and H2O2. Here central atom is sulfur, here central atom is oxygen and here also central atom is oxygen. That means they are all 16th group element and they all have open book structure. Open book structure like H2H2. So H2Cl2, H2Cl2, O2F2 and H2O2. These three have open book structure and if it's C2F2, it is 14th group element and also it has linear structure. It has linear structure. If we'll draw the structure of C2F2, then it is like this. So this is C2F2, structure of C2F2. So according to question, you have to find out the shape of H2H2 is identical to. That means the answer will be S2Cl2, O2F2 and H2O2. So A, B and D are correct answer. A, B, D are correct. So H2Cl2, O2F2 and H2O2 are correct. Hope you understand it well. Best of luck.